Hi guys. We're looking at my garage door. It doesn't open. It opens a little bit, but it won't open all the way. 12 years. Yeah. Okay, ready? This is what it does. Oh, now it stopped lower this time. Okay. And it sounds different. I think the spring up there is broken. I'm not sure if that's normal up there. I don't know anything about garage doors, but I checked the box there on top. The metal gear that holds the chain is wearing out. There's metal shavings up there. I don't know what to do. Any suggestions? Let me know. Okay, bye guys.